Hi everyone, welcome back to Tutorialify. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update your Canva application on your mobile device. Updating your Canva application is crucial so that you can get the latest release on Canva, which can be bug fixes and performance improvements. So in order to do that, first of all, go ahead and open your Google Play Store or your App Store on your smartphones. Now in the search box appearing at the top or at the bottom, type in Canva. Look for this Canva design photo and video application from Canva, and then make sure to tap on the update button if available on the page. If you see update, it means that you have the latest version of Canva to be downloaded. Tap on the update button, but if you see open, it means that you are currently running the latest version itself. Once you are done with the update, you can open the application and get started with new designs with your improved and updated version of Canva. So that's how it's easily done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Tutorialify for more tutorials from Canva. I will be back again with the next video. Thank you for watching.